Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Car Views. If this channel has appeared on your screen, please take a moment to watch our video completely, because I work really hard to bring you the best and most exciting videos every single week. So please subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones, especially those who haven't yet discovered our channel. Let's spread these amazing car and motorhome reviews to everyone. And remember, this shows who truly supports you. Because the people who watch, like, and share your videos are your real well-wishers. So now let's move on to the main highlight of today's video. This beautiful luxury motorhome truck. As soon as you step inside, on the right-hand side, you'll find a comfortable room designed with soft lighting and modern decor. It's the perfect place to sit back and relax after a long trip. The seating area has plush, cushioned seats and a warm, cozy atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. On the left-hand side, you'll find a large LED and LCD setup, perfect for entertainment while you're on the road. You can watch your favorite shows, movies, or even enjoy gaming with your family and friends. The sound system is crystal clear, giving you that mini home theater experience on wheels. Moving toward the front section, you'll see the modern kitchen area. It's beautifully designed with sleek cabinets, a microwave oven, a mini refrigerator, a sink and an induction stove. Everything you need to cook your favorite meals while traveling. The countertop space is impressive, making cooking easy and enjoyable even when you're far from home. Now let's head to the bedroom, which is completely separate for privacy and relaxation. The bedroom features a luxurious, black interior with soft red lighting. That gives it a classy and premium vibe. The bed is large and comfortable, with soft pillows and smooth covers. Truly a perfect place to rest after a long adventure. The side walls have beautiful patterns, and soft ambient lights make the entire room feel calm and elegant. Next, we move to the washroom area, which is compact but very stylish. It comes with a smart shower setup, clean white basin, and a beautifully designed mirror. Every detail is thoughtfully crafted to give you a hotel-like feel. Whether it's day or night, you'll feel complete comfort and luxury inside. From front to back, this motorhome truck is built to impress. The front cabin is sleek and functional, giving the driver a clear view and smooth handling experience. The back section is perfectly designed to combine beauty, comfort, and practicality. Everything you need for a luxury life on wheels. So if you enjoyed this video and loved this amazing motorhome, then please like this video, subscribe to Dream Car Views, and press the bell icon so you never miss any new uploads. And please, share this video with your friends and loved ones so they too can experience these incredible machines. Because here at Dream Car Views, we bring you the best of luxury design and innovation, all in one place.